So recently I got this non-smartphone from a client and it had a problem with its network. Therefore she asked me to fix it for her. As always, I removed the back cover followed by the battery. The network is located at this point. You can see she tried to squeeze in some papers. Next I used the screwdriver to remove all the screws. After that I used tweezers to fully open it. And now you can see the inside parts are now exposed. Next it was time to remove the motherboard. Firstly I have to remove this plastic that covers the speaker. But instead of removing the motherboard, I just bent it so that the faulty part containing the network is exposed upwards. Then I used the soldering gun to add on some solder on the two exposed joints of the network. The solder was not sticking well, so I added some solder paste. And now I added the new solder with ease. After that I also pulled the network contacts upwards so that they will reach the contact points on the motherboard when I put it back. After all that, I put the motherboard back into its plastic casing and now my work is ready. After that I closed the motherboard with the upper casing. Then I added all the necessary screws using a screwdriver. The touch switch was falling off, so I put it back. I placed back the battery and the back cover, and now the work is done. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.